You ready to go in the car, Pixel? Ready to go for a ride? That's the picnic. Another windy day. But we are going somewhere. Should we tell them where we're going?
Might as well.
No, it's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
We'll take you on our trip.
Yeah, Pixel and I can go see the lift, and then by the time you finish paying for parking and that, we'll be ready to go.
It's just a bit of a line.
Just a little bit of a line. After many hours, Megley has finally paid the parking. Pixel and I have had quite an interesting day. It's time to go home.
I can't believe how long that took.
I know.
That was a massive line. I expected a lot of people to be here for the open day, but I didn't quite expect that. So we're at the Anderton Boat Lift, and the Canal and River Trust has an open day of the Anderton Boat Lift at the moment. So we've got some tours going up the top of it, and you can also go down into the bottom where the casements usually are, which you can't usually do. So it's been quite interesting, and we've got some footage of that, so we'll show you that now. So the Anderton Boat Lift brings boats down off the Trent and Mersey Canal, lifts them down onto the River Weaver. Pixel! Hello! Good job! Pixel!
Look at that, baby! On a liner!
No.
Completely oblivious.
No, she'll know something.
Pixel! Come on!
Come on.
Funny dog. hands are freezing now.
It has gone a bit cold and wet.
It's gone a bit overcast, but it was a really good day out at the Anderton Boat Lift. Really enjoyed it. It was interesting seeing the underside of the caissons that you don't usually see, and it's just two massive hydraulic poles that lift the entire thing. It's incredible to think that they can do that, including all the weight of the water and the boats that are in them. So yeah, it was really interesting to see. They also had a water safety initiative that they were doing down there, which you had to put on some beer goggles, and they were trying to raise the awareness of people who drink in the pubs along the canals, and then they try and take a shortcut across the lock gates, and quite often people fall in and drown because they're not themselves, they can't focus properly, and so tried that, and I put some beer goggles on, and I never drink anyway, so it was definitely an experience. But I probably would have gone in. Yeah. It didn't help though that it was made of soft foam, so when you stepped on it, it was already a bit like squishy.
Unstable, yeah.
Not like stepping onto an actual lock gate, but I can understand where they're coming from. If you were drunk, you wouldn't have stable footing, so definitely a good initiative. Pixel's been a really good girl today.
Yeah, should pick her up.
Come on, Pixel.
Come on, Pixel.
So we're going to head home now. We've been here for probably about 2 hours.
Get the fire going.
Get
Have
the
a
fire
nice
going.
warm evening.
Yeah, I need a cup of tea. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this bit of a vlog about Anderton Boat Lift, and we will probably be back along here in our boat next time, because we're thinking of coming north this year, so we may see it later in the year.
Yeah.
And actually go down in it. And up again.
Yeah, just to have the experience.
For the experience.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. You get notifications of new content when it comes out. So we'll see you next time with another cooking video.
Bye!
Bye! Pixel, the camera's here! She's a bit of a diva.
I can't get to the camera, Pixel. Oh.